Here's how to make a collage on your iPhone. Now, if you wanted to make a collage with 2 or 4 or 10 photos and you wanted to use all built-in default apps, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, what we're going to use is the Shortcuts apps here. So if you don't necessarily see Shortcuts, go to the app library or just go to the App Store and download and install it. This is a default Apple app that allows you to do lots of cool things. Now on here, of course, you can manually create your own shortcut, but there are default shortcuts in the gallery. So tap gallery at the bottom right. And once we're in here, we're just going to type in grid. So what you're going to be looking for is either Instagram grid or photo grid. You can choose whichever one you want. Let's choose photo grid here. So it says basically at the very bottom, add this shortcut, and I can hit add. Now I'll show you how it works. Let's tap on shortcuts at the bottom left. And if I tap on the 3 dots at the top right of that, you'll be able to see this is the basically algorithm or the coding that essentially is put together to create this photo grid. So again, you can create this on your own, but they've done all of this for you and made it fairly easy. So now to be able to run this, all you need to do is tap on it. And it immediately pops up with selecting photos. So let's say I want to go down and I can choose 1, 2, 3, 4 photos and hit add. Now it will do its magic, and just like that, it will combine all 4 of those into one. Now you can do certain things like you can do markup at the bottom right here. You can tap on that little markup icon here. And let's say you can just start drawing something like that. Let's get that pen and you can start drawing stuff. It's hard to kind of see that. You can do like a red for apples and draw apples. Something like that. Now you can hit done here and you can choose to save to files, or let's just go back here, keep going back. Let's see, discard changes. So if you go basically through this entire process and you edit it, after that, it will dump it into the Photos app here. Oh, I might have accidentally messed that up because I hit discard. So let's go back, choose 4 photos again and hit add. Now you can see, now I can hit the share button at the bottom left. And now you'll be able to see I can hit save image, I can save it to files, I can text it, I can do whatever I want with it. Now, another cool thing that you can do is if you don't necessarily want to go into the Shortcuts app to do this, you can always tap on the 3 dots at the top right. And then on here, let's tap at the drop-down menu at the very top here. Now you can see add to home screen. I can hit add to home screen and add. And just like this, it will add that shortcut to my home screen so that instead of going into the Shortcuts app, I can just tap on it and it immediately pops up with the ability to create that collage directly on the home screen, again, instead of having to go into the Shortcuts app to be able to do that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.